Today, I want to talk to you about creating passive income online using affiliate marketing. Now, the tool that I'm going to show you an in-depth review on is called the Rapid Profit Machine, RPM for short. Now, I'm going to do a behind the scenes, step-by-step walkthrough all on this Rapid Profit Machine. Now, the creator of this product is called James Neville-Taylor, and James devised this program, and you can just do one click and import this whole system in just under 30 minutes. So stay tuned. Here we go. We're going to jump right in. I'm going to just shorten this down so you can see. So this page right here, whoops, we didn't shorten. Here we go. So now you can see here, this is my Builderall account right here, and this is a Rapid Profit Machine 2.0, and it's already downloaded into this Builderall system. Now, Builderall will give you a 14-day trial so that you can try this out, so that you can see how passive income is created. Now, the cool part about Rapid Profit Machine is that there's 3 opt-in pages. There's 3 landing pages. Now, they're all built for specific reasons. The first one is a solo ad opt-in page. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Let's get to the right tab here. There it is. That is the landing page that you will land on if you are running traffic from a solo ad. They are optimized, they've been tested, and this is the highest converting page for solo ads. So let's go back now and have a look at what the next page is. It's a quiz opt-in page. Now that is perfect for those that are using organic methods for Rapid Profit Machine. They're running that traffic, they're not paying for ads, they are using something like TikTok, or they're using a Facebook profile, or they're just using their emailing, and they're sending the traffic from their list or wherever over to this opt-in quiz. Now I can show you what that page looks like. This one. So you're going to start here and off you'll go, clicking, and it'll take you through a series of buttons, different questions, and you can click either this or over here on this one. So that's your second traffic method. Your third traffic method is this one right here. And that one is all about being optimized for, right here, right for Google ads. So this would be the landing page that you would send and set up keywords for your Google ad and send traffic over to this page. So those are your 3 ways of getting traffic to our page. One is organic, and those are high converting opt-in pages for Rapid Profit Machine. So now this next one that I want to show you is what happens when people put in their email. What do people see? So that's going to show you this one right here. So once your email is put in, you'll be introduced to James. He does a little talk. He tells you exactly how you profit, exactly what Rapid Profit Machine 2.0 will do for you. And this is where you go ahead and click to get your free Rapid Profit Machine imported into your system, into your Builderall account, I should say. So now the next page, which is this last page right here of the system, was when you go ahead and you create your free Builderall account. After the free 14-day trial, it will charge $69. So it's pretty important that you get this up and running within that 2-week trial so you can start that passive income using affiliate marketing really quickly. So basically, once you click the yes, import to my Builderall system, this is what you will get. You will get these pages, these 3 on top and 2 down here. And you'll also get this email sequence that comes in. So these are the 15 emails. You can see here, it generates them after 100 hours, after 96 hours, after 92 hours, after 76 hours. You can change those, and you can send them out in different intervals. But you can see that there's 15 back-end follow-up emails that will go out to those people that have put in their emails and downloaded the system into their Builderall account. With a Builderall account, you get so much more as well. You get the funnel builders, you get a chat bot, you get the marketing and funnel clubs. There's so much. You even get the blogs that you can get, custom emails, all sorts of stuff that you can get for your $69.99. It's kind of an all-in-one platform that works really, really nicely. So essentially, that is what the Rapid Profit Machine is all about. It is all about clicking, setting it all up. It imports right away into your Builderall account, and you get this handy members area. Now, this is worthwhile because this is where the commission starts happening. You can get up to 100%. So he's offering a limited time, double your commissions by giving you 100% of anything that comes through on your funnel. So you would basically click this button here, and it's a $29 it's upsell basically, and it gives you all the commissions. He's just like, here, take all the commissions. You pay me 29 bucks a month, I will give you any commission that comes in. So if you run your Google ad traffic, you run your solo ad traffic, and you run your TikTok traffic to those 3 high converting landing pages, people go through, they add their email, your backend email follows up with them. They think, hey, you know what? I want to load this into my system. And they get into Builderall, and they go ahead and they get on a $29 a month. Every commission comes in for them. They get their 100%. And that's where things start to get really interesting. So that's kind of where the passive income starts coming through. This is also the training over here. So it'll talk to you about the Facebook solo ad and email. How do you do those things? It talks about if you want to buy traffic, if you want to promote Builderall. It gives you all of the tools that you need back here to help really take things off the ground for you. So the secrets, and this is unique traffic that James has generated, so that you can purchase traffic from him, and he knows exactly, he created the RPM, so he knows exactly what to do to create sales, to generate conversions. Great guy. So you can also purchase a call from him as well. These also has a group, a Facebook group that you can be part of, ask questions on. If you just, it is a cool system. So the group, people asking a lot of questions in there, and it really is helpful to get in and immerse yourself in the affiliate marketing community. So that's kind of the Rapid Profit Machine in a nutshell. Basically, you just go ahead and download this system for free into your free Builderall account. You go to the back office here, you figure out what kind of traffic you want to run, and figure out if you want to be on a $29 subscription to get 100% of the commissions that come through. Basically, anybody that orders anything here, you will get the commissions for that. It's just a simple system. It's free to download, and it is something that James is constantly upgrading. So if you want more information on the Rapid Profit Machine, I'm going to leave a link below on the video so that you can go ahead and click it. It's in the descriptions below or in the comments below, where you can go ahead and import this system into your free Builderall account. Run it for 2 weeks, see what happens. See if you can generate those incomes coming in a passive way. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. See you soon.